Hello everyone, camera raw filter not showing in Photoshop. This video has a quick fix to get it back up and running. Let's fix it now. Step 1. Verify you are using Adobe Photoshop, not Photoshop Elements. The camera raw filter is available in Adobe Photoshop but not in Photoshop Elements. If you are using Photoshop Elements, this filter won't be accessible. Step 2. Check plugin installation to verify if the camera raw plugin is installed. Windows, go to Help, then About Plugin, then go to Camera Raw. Mac operating system, go to Photoshop, then About Plugin, then go to Camera Raw. If it's missing, you can download and install it from Adobe's official site, Camera Raw Plugin Installer. Step 3. Reset Camera Raw Preferences. In Windows, hold down the Control key and go to Edit, then Preferences, then go to Camera Raw. Mac OS, hold down the Command key and go to Photoshop, then Preferences, then go to Camera Raw. In the dialog that appears, confirm that you want to delete the Camera Raw preferences. Step 4. Check display configuration. If you are using multiple monitors, ensure that Photoshop is not minimized or hidden on another screen. Use the Windows shortcut Win plus Shift plus arrow left or right to move the Camera Raw window between screens if it's stuck. On Mac OS, you can use Command plus Shift plus arrow key to move windows. If using dual monitors, try disconnecting and reconnecting the second monitor to refresh display settings. Step 5. Reinstall Photoshop. Uninstall Photoshop. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. Go to the Apps tab, find Photoshop and click on the three dot next to it. Select Uninstall. Reinstall Photoshop. Once uninstalled, click on the Install button next to Photoshop to reinstall it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.